left, I turned to the last truck, over.
Is that us?
No.
So is it?
Yeah, that was 477. Okay, tell me when you got up to Town Road, please, over. Yeah, roger that. We're just coming through the water now on the road. Okay, we're just parked up on this main road, so we'll wait for you. Get around the intersection, then we'll make our way. Roger that.